Alright, so this is the tour of our room at Paradisus, Playa del Carmen. You walk into a lobby area, shoes and stuff, and you go into the kitchen. Over here is the bathroom. It's the shitter. And then it's kind of weird. There's like a second bathroom in here, which is, I don't know, it's got the tub. This is the living room, family room. It's got a bedroom, king bed, and then off to the balcony. Hey kids! Hey mommy! So is the main pool. That's a pirate ship over there. That's actually kind of cool. Kids like that. Yeah, and it's a pretty big resort. That's where you get all your drinks at the pool. And then on the other side, there's like a water park. It's really nice. And then restaurants are kind of like over on that side. Kids are just taking a bath in the afternoon here. Service is pretty decent. There we go.